Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to favorite sound on TikTok. By favoriting sound on TikTok, you'll be able to save music on TikTok which you can use anytime to create your videos. To favorite sound on TikTok, first open your TikTok application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home. Now there are two ways in which you can save the music on TikTok. You can either scroll and look for the audios that you want. Then after finding the TikTok with the music that you want to add, tap on the music icon at down right corner. Then here you can see the music. Now here you can see add to favorites option at top. Tap on add to favorites. With that, the sound will be added to your favorite. For another method, go back to the home page of TikTok, then tap on search icon at top. Then you can type in any title you want. Tap on the title. Now tap on sounds at top. Then here you can discover the sounds related to the topic that you have added. Now tap on the sound that you want to add on your favorite. With that, now here you can see the overview of sound. Tap on add to favorites. With that, the sound will be added to favorite. Now to view the sounds that you have added to favorite, go back to home page on TikTok. Then tap on profile icon at down right corner. Then tap on saved icon. With that, now tap on sounds. Now here you can see the sounds that I have just added on my favorites. This is how we can favorite sound on TikTok. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.